Welcome to the Hot and Spicy. Thanks for joining me. How are you doing? Hope your weekend's going fantastic. These Saturdays come around quick, don't they? Whew. Right. I've made a homemade chilli. It's not a chili con carne, there's no beans in it. It's just my own little version of just a spicy chilli using minced beef, ground beef. I've used ground beef, onions, bell peppers, 5 cloves of garlic, cumin, oregano, salt, pepper, 15, because I counted them, I've kept the packet of them, 15 bird's eye chilies. They're only small. They weren't as good quality them either, but I've used them. Chopped them all up. Got told off for someone coughing as I was cooking it, and I had the extractor fan on the cooker anyway. And I bought sausages from Morrison's. They're the 3 chili sausages: jalapeno, habanero and chipotle. There's no heat in them for me. I've had them before on here, I think, but there's a really good strong garlicky flavour. They're strong sausages. And I was telling one of the colleagues in work I was having chilli for Saturday, because a few of them asked me, what are you doing this week? He said, why don't you do chili dogs? I said, you what? No. Good idea, I thought. So sausages, we're going to make them up on camera. That could be a big mistake, messy. And then sausages, and then just a scoop and some fries there which have been seasoned, salted. Here we've got the glass ready. We've got Cobra, and we've got Krombacher. Got a few of them. So we're going to go with Cobra. I've not had that for a while. LSU, thank you. That'll go there for now. And I tasted the sauce of this last night, and there was a good heat to it. So I've made it, you see, the day before, and then let it go cold, put it in the fridge, covered it, you know, and then sort of just heated it up tonight, and it'll taste even, well, I think it tastes even better. So good health to you. Hands. Right. Been in the fridge for days. Also, I put some extra spicy Cajun powder. I've got some of that. Measurements probably over a teaspoon of each. Oregano, cumin, and the Cajun spice. And these are here, which are jalapenos, pickled jalapenos, so we should have a good kick tonight. Cheers. Good health to you. Ooh, you could take on the world after that first gulp. Right, this might get a bit nasty, but we'll see. I'm not buttering these or anything, it's just straight in. Oh, that went well. We'll leave that there for a minute. Spoon. I feel like a doctor who's in an operation. Oh, mushrooms I put in as well, mushrooms. This isn't going to go well, is it? It's going to be... just move that aside. We're going to go for it. All right. Yeah, them sausages are lovely. Oh, here we go. Spice coming in. Jalapeno. Oh man. This is good. You can keep it in your mouth. Good eating. I've Gareth, Royal Mail chef, maybe watching this Sunday. Give him a pack of the 3 times spicy ramen noodles. So it'll be interesting what he says on Monday about that. If he's had them over the weekend, he may not. And if he has, we may not see him again. Al in work, thanks for the inspiration for this. So simple, but man, the heat. There's so many flavours going on. I've added so many little, how can I say, when I cooked this, obviously fried off the mince on a high heat because I wanted that sort of dark, slightly caught, you know, crispy, just turning on the mince. Took it out, then fried the onions and the peppers, the garlic, the chillies. Then I added the oregano, the cumin, the spicy Cajun. Then I added some chopped tomatoes, put them in, used the whole tin but I put half at a time, stirred it up, and then I added some Worcestershire sauce, about a spoonful like that. What else did I put in? Worcestershire sauce. I put something else in, and the mushrooms obviously. Fantastic. And I fried the sausages separately, and then when everything was ready, I'm trying to think, excuse me going back, Worcestershire sauce, I put something else in. Light soy, that's it. Bit of light soy, Worcestershire sauce, all these flavours. And then once it was ready, put the mince back in, put the sausages in when they were cooked, and then just let it simmer for about 40 minutes, very low. Beautiful. Then stopped it, bowled it up, let it go cold, put it in the fridge, was cling film on, and we're here today. Wow. Do you know, it's hot, with, well, it would be when there were 15 chilies in it, but all over the mouth, the whole mouth burning. But it's so flavoursome here. There's so many strong flavours coming in, and it's, well, amazing for my palate. Just got the juices there. We have him. This is sensational, and the good news is I got 2 bowls of it, so I'm going to de-bowl them and I'll put them in the freezer. I've got some of them little plastic boxes, you know, with the lids like you get takeaways in. I'll portion them into 2 of them, because this would be lovely finishing work. Put one of these in the microwave, heat it up, a bit of garlic bread. This, I mean, without the sausages. Oh, I got some of them left as well. There's no nice way of eating this, so we're all old friends, aren't we? And anybody new to the channel, welcome to the channel, but this is as good as it gets. I was on the radio this morning. They were talking about the most expensive cups of coffee in the UK, and it was saying that in Mayfair in London, a cup of coffee is £265. Well, you know, if you can afford to pay that, well, you haven't got no worries, have you? I couldn't even begin to ask how that come to that cost. Apart from the fact that diddling people, probably. Right. Just a couple of jokes. I don't overdo it with that, because I know some like it, or some think, but have a bit of fun. You'll see me again tomorrow, probably some part of the day. I've got a couple of things. I've had a busy sort of couple of days this last week. Yesterday, Friday, mad busy, and I've been kind enough to be sent a few gifts from a chap called Dave. I'm not sure if you're watching this, Dave, and he sends a box of gifts to Graham, WXPM, Denby Vids, and then some of them were for Graham, some were for me, and kindly Graham again delivered the box to my house with a little note. So thanks. I don't think he watches these now, Graham, because he's busy man, and he's got his own channel with his videos, guitar and a cold one. So thanks, Graham, for if you are watching, for bringing it round and that. So I'll unbox it tomorrow, bit of a video. But I got a couple of things I want to, weather permitting, to film as well, so I'll do that unboxing in the video if you like. So thank you Dave and thanks Graham for bringing it. Right. Okay. Why have elephants got big ears? Because Noddy wouldn't pay the ransom. What do you call a man with a bag of compost on his head? Pete. Optician. Have your eyes been checked before? Man, no, they've always been blue. Why did the florist sell his shop? He could see there was no fuchsia in it. These are more my... well, a few more than, because they're not too bad. Right, passenger. Why has the train stopped? The guard. We've hit a cow, madam. Oh dear. Was it on the track? No, we had to chase it over a field. What has two humps and is found at the South Pole? A very confused camel. Why did the sailor grab a bar of soap when his ship sank? To wash himself ashore. What's a cow's favourite cereal? Muesli. Oh. Fair enough. Right, I'll turn... well, hopefully that wasn't too painful. On with the munching. See this liquid, this gravy I call it. Oh, that flavour. And because it's been overnight, the heat from the chillies, fresh cut chillies. Here's a question, and I didn't know the answer to this till I watched a programme the other night. It was on YouTube, you know, a professional chilli grower, and lady it was, and I'm thinking, is she the one I bought the chillies off actually? But anyway, Gordon Ramsay was interviewing her. It was all about chillies, this programme, and she was saying, so here's the question, which part of the chilli is the hottest? Because I thought the whole chilli's just the same heat, but it's not apparently. The hottest part of the chilli is nearest the stalk where the seeds are. And she was saying about people say that seeds have got no heat. When, you know, you see people remove the seeds to lower the heat. And she said that is quite correct. The heat is in the capsaicin oil, which is in the chilli. But because the heat of the chilli is the hottest near the stalk end, where the seeds are, the seeds sort of must touch the oil or get covered in oil, or got oil in them or something. So she said when you take the seeds out, it does reduce the heat a bit, but I suppose sometimes it's not noticeable, maybe if it's a super hot one. But yeah, it's very interesting about it. She said usually the larger the chilli, the milder it is. And if it's quite knobbly, it's a super hot. I can confirm that. Yeah. This is beautiful. It's not like having a chili, like a chili con carne with rice, or it's different, isn't it? With just a few chips. Oh, see the burn, nothing overpowered. 15 chilies in it. Now it's hot. The whole mouth is burning. Hasn't made my nose run. So bird's eyes, no problem. Ghost chilies or ghost pepper powder, running like a tap. Sweat, you know, I'm just loving it. The burn, it's just amazing. French fries, salted. No vinegar, because these jalapenos, they're pickled in vinegar, so I'm getting a bit of a vinaigrette taste, if you like. Cobra, lovely drink. Oh, that's lovely. Right, I'll leave you to it because it's going to go on. That's it, Paul. Fill your mouth up when you're about to speak. What I might do off camera is put these fries into this and then eat them knife and fork. I'll get it and just finish it off like that. That is lovely. And even the juicy, the gravy. That is one of the most spicy but flavoursome chilies I've made, and I'll do that again. Absolutely. Maybe with Scotch bonnet if I can get hold of them. They'll bring it up a level in heat. But yeah, wow. So if you follow me on Paul H, I'll see you in the morning. Using a new razor. Tomorrow's been sent to me. And brush. Bit of a long video that. If you got the time, if you watch them, if you got the time to watch it, but about 28 minutes I think. So I'll try and hold it down on Wednesday. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in this sort of unboxing and a bit of a vlog type video. I'll try not to make it too long because I do realise you've got lives to live, and well, you don't have to watch it if you're busy or if you can't be bothered, but it'll be there because as I say, I want to do this unboxing and that's it. So have a great weekend. That is absolutely stunning, even though I say myself, really flavoursome, burning, really happy. So thanks again for your time. Look after yourselves. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. See you tomorrow. All the best.